Before we get into today's video, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on these breathtaking yet fun moments. Thank you. In the last days of July 2025, China witnessed one of the most severe natural disasters in modern history. Not war nor earthquake, but heavy rains that left many suburbs of the capital Beijing completely paralyzed. Among them, Miyun and Yangqing counties, peaceful mountainous areas north of the city, bore the brunt of nature's terrible wrath: floods, landslides, widespread power outages, and a constant rise in casualties. As roads turned into rivers, cars were swept away like toys, and thousands of people were forced to evacuate. In the night, the world turned its anxious eyes to China. In just a few days, Miyun received as much rain as it did in a year, causing a chain reaction that collapsed infrastructure, energy, and government response efforts. More than just an unusual storm, this disaster raises many questions about disaster preparedness, about global climate change, and about the fate of tens of thousands of residents living on the fragile boundary between floodwaters. The severe flooding disaster in Beijing occurred at the peak of the 2025 rainy season, specifically from July 24th to 28. During this period, northern China, especially the capital Beijing and neighboring areas such as Miyun, Yangqing, and Hebei, suffered unprecedented extreme rainfall. Devastating floods continue to pound China. Extreme rain brings Beijing to its knees. 60+ dead, several missing. Over 300,000 plus people affected. Deluge washes away vehicles, leaving 10 dead. Massive landslides kill 8 in Hebei, reports. Northern China reels under flood havoc. +30 deaths reported in elderly care home. Heavy downpour submerges Tianjin. Trees uprooted, key roads blocked. Bulldozers scoop stranded residents. Floodwater swallows homes, only roofs visible. Deadliest floods ravage Beijing's hilly Miyun district. Reservoir sees record water overflow. Beijing's mountainous north worst hit. "24,000 homes, 242 bridges damaged," reports. Chengde, Baoding, and Zhangjiakou heavily affected. Rescue operation in full swing. Top-level emergency response launched in Beijing. No end to tales of chaos in China. More nature's wrath to hit Beijing. Heavy rains led to flooding and mudslides in Beijing's suburban district of Moyun. Over 400 residents were evacuated amid severe weather conditions. Moyun's Flood Control and Drought Relief HQ activated a Level I flood emergency response. Several vehicles were swept away in residential areas of Moyun. Power outages affected over 10,000 residents in the region. The historic floods in Miyun and the suburbs of Beijing in late July 2025 not only caused great loss of life and property, but also left many questions about the ability to respond to natural disasters in the context of increasingly extreme climate. If you find the video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next videos from our channel.